kuhingia. Kwa mutigatira mugitwira matanya turatanya gwika uu githomo kia bure tumai mbeca mathukuru-ini. Na tigo tuma mbeca tu, mutume mbeca iria ciagiriire iria cie circular-ini ciringi 22 hari mwana wothe we senior secondary school. Na mathire maria mangi mothe mutatumite gutire there is no vacuum in financial management. Thirikari mbeca iria mutatumite ni wega mamenye principles ni suppliers matarihite. Tikuga ni harambe ciikitwo kuri andu matari arihe. Koguo ona arrears kana mathire maria thirikari itatumite ni wega tume niguo mathukuru mwaitu marani uria kwagiriire. Na ma muico ni tutige riu maundu maya ma blame games. Riria tukwaria uhoro wa thirikari irutite wira, twaragia uhoro wa thirikari etagwo executive. Na executive neo imenyaga uria budget ya bururi iguikara na kuria mbeca cia bururi igutwarwo. Tondu gutuagwo thirikari neo yorurire igitia kura ikiheana policies. Na koguo gwenda kuria aria mariho, tigai gutinda mugicuniria aya kana aya, mara ni bunge, mara ni judiciary. Me hakure ukinya kwanjia gutwira ni undu wa riera. Mundu aheo kanya ga gutungata, tiga blame games. Aroketi mbeca githomo-ini na gutire mundu gukorwo akiaririria topic iyo. Andu mararia ni tondu thukuru ciena mathire, then minister uyu ni okauga gutire githomo kia bure. Ungiuge ni auga ata tigwa araugite, uyu ungi naki ni auga gikuo. Tutikwenda kumenya uguo mukugai, tukwenda atiriri by ciana ikihingura after this holiday, arrears iria ciekuo na capitation ya 2022 mutume mathukuru-ini maitu niguo marani wega. Na hayo mengi, Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki. Peterson Ndhuo kuja. Peterson Ndhuo president. Si mnaona hata Haiti iko sawa? Aliniambia kwa ni Lang'ata. Nataka nimpe souvenir kwa sababu huyu ataenda mbali. Souvenir, sikupei pesa na kupea souvenir. Hiyo unajua ni gani Hebu waambie ni gani?
$100.
Ni kama pesa ngapi hiyo Kenya?
13,000.
Hiyo, asante sana. Kuja bado. Nataka hawa young men wakirudi after holiday, mwalimu waongeze afanye kakitu wakule mzuri. Sawa? Yeah? Oh, system. System ya entertainment. Sasa kwa sababu sitaki kupromise kitu alafu niende, wacha niache, nyinyi mtajipanga vile itatosha, au sio? So nitaachia huyu, mtaongeza ya system 100,000. Asanteni sana, and to all the Form 4s and all the other students, as the MP for Kiharu where Kiagodho is, I wish you God's blessings. And I pray that all the dreams and visions that you have, that God will help you to achieve them. That you'll be responsible young men. You'll be assets to your parents. You'll be a blessing to your families. And you'll be pillars to our nation. Asanteni sana.
Dear parents and our dear students,
kuna supplier anaongeza ya system. Kuja. Eutychus Gavastones ameongeza ya system 20,000. Na yeye mheshimiwa Kamwaga, na yeye anasema party, kuna party mnatekeleza. Whatever itahitajika ameanzisha na 10,000. So haikuwa harambee. Thank you very much. May God bless you.
Our dear parents and students, can we give our MP a standing ovation? Then we appreciate it. Tusimame tumpigie makofi kwa sababu ya kuja kwake.
Thank you very much. Can we prepare 3 hearty claps for our MP? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I will ask the board chair and a few board members, the sub-county directors, Bwana CB chairman. We have something we want to give to our MP for remembrance. And here it is. So we are giving him the mountain, Nampatia Murima, and then he shall soar up with the wings like an eagle. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Had our BA meeting, a PA meeting and board. We agreed as parents, and this morning the parents have agreed that we also sponsor the teachers for motivation next year, April. We are calling and we plead with you to call sponsor with parent that occasion for the teachers, so that as they prepare, the school prepare to, and the parents prepare to give them a motivation to give out of their heart for the boys. Kindly request you to come hand on and also cause sponsor the motivation for teachers next year. Now, these boys, we are saying we want 100% transition to the university. The model that is already have been put in place is not favorable to this parent. We know over 90% of these parents are peasant farmers who earn maybe in a month 500 or 5,000 shilling. At most maybe 20,000, which is supposed to educate their children in primary school and to meet all demand, the basic need in the household. Today, most of the courses in a semester, the students that are joining, the minimum you would get is 80,000 per semester. In a year, we have 2 semesters. I wonder who is this peasant farmer who will be in a position to pay a semester worthy 100,000. A money he cannot be able to consolidate. And he has never consolidated even in a year. It's our plea and our request, Your Excellency, to go. I know you are a fighter. You go to the parliament and fight for this parent, that we can reverse back to the old system, or else the government should be able to fully fund, especially the university education, because academic and education is a big resource. We know how much it's coming from diasporas. For the people who got educated, they are all over in the world, and every month they are sending billions of dollars to our economy. I know, and it's clear. When you go to Western country, when you look at the demographic of those countries, US, Europe, the youthful age that is there is very minimal. And therefore, in the new future, even as we go forward, they are depending on this demographic we have of 70% in Kenya and Africa. And there we have to prepare them fully so that they can provide labor to those countries, and they we have capital flight coming from America, Europe, and other countries to our nation, so that we can move from that country to second country and first world. Otherwise, with those few marks, we are very grateful, sir, for coming and having us to officiating this function today for us. And now, this moment, I want to invite the board chair of BOM, Kiagodo Boys. Let's give her a hand. She come over.
Good afternoon, everyone. Allow me to lead on the protocols that have already been established. My name is Dr. Zipporah Ndongo. I'm the Vice Chair of the BOM of Kiagodho Boys School, sitting in for our substantive chair, Dr. Macharia, in absentia. Allow me to start by recognizing and appreciating all the BOM members who are here. Kindly stand, all the BOM members. Let's appreciate them. Thank you so much. Because of time, I will not invite them here to do the introduction. We appreciate and acknowledge that today is the day for Mheshimiwa, and therefore we don't want to take a lot of time. But before I move on, I want to appreciate each and every one of you who makes the Kiagodho community. We have the parents. We really appreciate you, and we are aware of your commitment in supporting all the activities and the projects that have been going on in Kiagodho school. As the PHA have said, you have been really coming on when we call upon you. And also to the teachers, we are so grateful because you have done a lot in the process of teaching, and we really acknowledge and appreciate the work that you are doing. We cannot close our eyes to the many things that you are doing to prepare our students and our learners. And also to the learners, we know that you are the process owners, and we are so, so grateful because you have always made us proud. And even we are here today to appreciate those who have really made us shine as Kiagodho Boys School. And for those who are still in school, the Form 4s, the Form 3s and Form 2s, our eyes on you, and we have a lot of faith in you. And we know that you can do even much more beyond the target. As Board of Management, we are really committed, and you can be assured of our full support to all the activities that are laid ahead of us. We are here to assure you that we will do everything possible to make sure that Kiagodho is going in the right direction. And especially with the current uplifting to the C1, as our principal have said, we know that we are also transiting to the CBE, and CBE comes with a lot of commitment, both from the learners, from the parents, and also from teachers and every stakeholders. And it calls for people to work together as a team so that we can be able to embrace the curriculum, the competency-based education. We acknowledge that this is a learner-centered kind of a learning, and it calls for us as teachers and also as a management to continue rebranding ourselves so that we can be able to align ourselves with the CBE. To our chief guest, we know that you have passion for education. I come from this constituency. My home area is just here, Vengaine. And when you look at the many things that have been happening in this constituency, the way you have uplifted many, many schools, we know that you have passion for education. And also as a teacher, I am a lecturer at JKUAT. And with that, we know that because now we have been upgraded to C1, our request is that you're going to help us to uplift this institution to be able to be at par with an institution of that level. We are your newly born institution in this constituency as